As a wedding photographer for almost 20 years, there are certain products that have made my life a little bit easier, and this LINCO Studio Softbox right here is one of them. In high-stress situations, you need something extremely easy to assemble. This, you just screw on the legs, attach the light holder, fan open the softbox, and zip it up. Screw this in, install the diffuser, and then you're ready to go. This softbox is 16 by 16 in size. I love that it comes with a remote control. It also has an off and on switch here in the back. You can adjust the height from 69 inches down to about 27.5 inches. The bulb offers adjustable temperatures and brightness that can also be adjusted using the remote. I love that you can change the temperature between cool to warm depending on the mood you're going for. The light holder has a 210-degree angle adjustment which allows you to shoot upwards or downwards. My favorite feature is that this can be used on uneven surfaces. You can prop it up on steps, use it on uneven ground. The legs can be independently extended and retracted, and it stays sturdy. Whenever you're finished, you can quickly and easily disassemble everything and pack it in this carrying case right here, which is included. If you're a portrait photographer or a content creator, this is a must-have softbox. It's lightweight, compact, and it will definitely take your content to the next level. I love this product and I highly recommend it.